What is going on, guys? I am Stock Sniper Mike, and we're back again with another 2-minute drill. Whoa, had to wake up from this slow market in the month of August. August has been super slow with the overall day trading, but that doesn't mean there's stuff going on, because we got highlights every single day, and that's what this 2-minute drill is for. We're going to start off this 2-minute drill with a very big announcement, and that's a sports gambling announcement. This one comes from the company Penn, Penn. I don't know if you guys remember them. They were the crazy runner after COVID, going from $4 all the way above $100 plus. Amazing run that they had. Now they're coming all the way back down to $20. Why they got that original spike was when they came out with the news that they were going to acquire Barstool Sports. David Portnoy's Barstool Sports got bought out for over $550 million to partner with Penn and to use their services for gambling. Now, things didn't go as planned, and it seems like Penn and Barstool couldn't figure out their deal, so everything started to fall apart, as well as the stock. The stock fell all the way below $100 down to the 20s, and recently just came out with some big news. This week it came out with big news that ESPN is going to strike a deal, a $1 billion deal now with Penn. So Penn is now going to work with ESPN instead of Barstool. They're going to be using their gambling services through ESPN now. Now, the twist about this whole thing is Penn actually got bought back from David Portnoy, who was the former owner of Barstool Sports, and he bought it back for only $1. ESPN said they did not want David Portnoy, a face of this company. They did not want to see him around, so they decided Penn was going to give the company back to Portnoy for only a single $1. Now, there are other things that are part of this deal, like if Portnoy does eventually sell Barstool, Penn will get some of it, but for now, Portnoy has taken back over Barstool Sports, and very excited to see the content that could be coming out again from that team. So be on the lookout for ESPN betting services coming out to a town near you. Next big company we're going to talk about is WeWork, the stock WE. The stock collapsed after coming out with earnings and warning investors that they might not survive. They are now a penny stock, falling all the way down to 12 cents. But they were able to get a 130% bounce in one day, and the next day they followed up another 50%, spiking all the way to the 30s. So they spiked 300% in the span of 2 days for WeWork. Big move there and tons of opportunity there in WeWork. We had a big merger in two high-end fashion, large retail companies. We had the company Capri get bought out by the owner of Coach, Tapestry. Now, Capri owns a couple big names that you guys know about: Jimmy Choo, Michael Kors, Versace, just to be the few that I'm talking about. They got acquired by a larger company, Tapestry, who's the face of Coach. All these big brands seem like they're merging together now, which is going to be pretty strange. But sooner than later, we'll probably forget about this deal, and these companies will go on. Rich people will continue to buy these products. I'll always stick with the black tea. Next, we're going to jump into food, and that is Campbell Soup, the stock CPB. CPB actually acquired Raos Sauces. So Raos Sauces is now a part of Campbell's Soup coming together. The Italian sauce company is now coming together and merged with CPB. And last but certainly not least, we have a flying taxi company. Yes, you guys heard that correctly. The Jetsons is coming soon. That company is ACHR. ACHR got a big spike to new 52-week highs after saying that they got a $200 million plus investment to help them fund their flying cars. They plan on these flying cars to come out in 2025. So in a couple years from now, start looking up and you might see a car in the sky. And that wraps it up with our 2-minute drill. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Have some table talk this weekend. Talk about this. It's always fun stuff to bring up. I'm Stock Sniper Mike, and I'll be back here next Friday. Peace.